Walk of Fame.
Huh?
Walk of Fame. Book on Old Navy, book me.
I think we're getting real trouble. Book of me, on Old Navy. Book of me, and they have all kind of crap in there.
Alright, so how you play the music when you do?
He got the music.
Oh yeah. You know you got this recorded.
Yeah. You know,
We'll keep the whole video while we
the
do
regular day.
Yeah.
Book to me.
You're gonna get kicked
Nothing
out.
special.
Y'all gonna get kicked out. Yes, I can.
Come over there.
Over there.
We start with a piece. Y'all ain't reading though.
A couple bad guys.
Oh, so we gotta be from there.
You going way back.
Audio fiction, non-fiction.
Nah, all the way back. Back some more.
I was going back.
I'm not with y'all.
I just want to read.
That's not a Bible.
Good.
Guess you never know.
Yeah, I'll fix it. Yeah, sure, right there and everything.
We can't be too visible.
Oh, whatever, okay.
We just in that piece.
Go over there.
We ain't gonna get that one.
Wow. That's a book. That's a book.
Boy, I mean, a little bit. That's a whole chapter. How they think of that?
What's going on? Oh, you know.
It's already at
Learn
2
couple
minutes.
moves.
I don't know, they can say it in books of me.
Okay.
This is not family. It's not family.
So when y'all gonna start? Get closer together. We go up some.